Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the cool chicken with mustard green. It is Khmer classic recipe and one of my grandma's favorite dishes. The first we are going to cook our chicken and we use ginger and spring onion. The chicken is cooked. Mustard green. Mustard green are a rich source of vitamin and mineral your body need to stay healthy. Here is our ingredients: soy sauce, sesame seeds, dark soy sauce, chili powder, sugar, chicken powder, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.